morning everyone, this is RamBabu Vasupilli, CEO of NCPL. In one of my previous video, I have explained to you about what are the tips and tricks you need to follow when filling up job applications in the company websites. In this video, I'll be walking you through what are the steps you need to take to ensure that you fill all the applications in the job portal. There are some job portals which we use in Canada which are quite prominent. 6 job portals that we generally use in Canada. Number 1 is LinkedIn, number 2 is monster.ca, number 3 is indeed.ca, number 4 ziprecruiter.ca, number 5 glassdoor.ca, number 6 careerbuilder.ca, and of course there is one 7th one which is getting prominent, talent.com. When you create your profile, make sure you fill all the sections in the job portal. Where many people go wrong, they don't fill all the sections. Okay, you need to fill your professional summary, you need to fill your work experience, you need to fill your credentials, what certifications you have done, if you are available to work or not, you need to fill your voluntary experience, you need to upload all the keywords related to your role, you need to mention from what date to what date so that the total experience is counted. You also need to mention your educational history, and sometimes they also ask you to mention about your achievement awards that you have received. If we mention all of this, then what happens is each of these job portals will also have the employer side of the interface. If any employer wants to filter candidates based on your number of years of experience, then they filter you based on whatever information that you have input when you are filling as a job seeker. Let's say if they wanted to filter those people who have done certifications. If you didn't fill the certifications, then your profile won't be shortlisted. Let's say some voluntary organizations or some NGOs, they might also offer you jobs. They will look for somebody who has voluntary experience. And if you don't fill up all your voluntary initiatives, then your profile won't be shortlisted. Some companies filter based on your education. They might hire only people with post-graduation, or they might hire people with only computer education. And if you don't fill your educational history, your profile won't be shortlisted. Perceiving how the employer filters the applications, you need to ensure that when you upload your profile or fill your profile in the job portals like LinkedIn, Monster, or whatever I have sent the list, make sure you fill all the sections. This is where many people go wrong. Once again, I am reiterating, this is where 80 to 90% of the people go wrong. Please make sure you fill all the sections, and your probability of getting the calls from the recruiters will increase because you will be shortlisted by these employers. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you like it and if this helps for your job search, please subscribe to the channel and share it to your friends. Thank you so much.